Hello everybody, and welcome to another iStore Meets video. My name is Sanele, and I'm the regional trainer here at iStore Santon Drive. The holiday season is over, and you might have spent some of this time, or even most of this time, with friends and family. If you're anything like me, you probably took a ton of photos. Today, we're going to explore some creative and practical ways to enhance photos on your iPhone to take them to the next level. In this session, we will explore these features and you will learn how to edit photos on your iPhone using the Photos app and how to create some stunning and amazing albums. Let's get started. Editing photos on iPhone will allow you to take those photos and turn them into amazing memories that you can share with friends, family, or even your social media. We will explore some of the built-in tools on iPhone using the Photos app. First, let's start off by editing a photo on your iPhone. And to do that, you're going to need to use the Photos app. So let's open that up. Once you're in the Photos app, it's about choosing that special photo that you've taken on your holiday. So I'm going to scroll up a bit until I see that photo. Once you find it, all you need to do is to simply tap on it. And immediately once you've tapped on it, you'll see you've got the edit button on the top right-hand corner. Tap on that and you're now in your editing tool. I'm going to show you how to flip, crop, and rotate your image. At the bottom, you'll see a few controls that you can access. And the crop is the furthest to the right-hand side. So here you can actually crop out your photo to make sure that your subject is centered, but even do a few other things like rotate it by using this little dragger. The dot does actually let you know that the photo is at its most center. But if you want to add a bit of character, that's fine. So let's quickly tilt this just for a little bit. And once you're happy with all the changes that you've made, you can tap on Done on the bottom right-hand corner to save your changes, or even just press Cancel to go back to your main photo. Sometimes your photo may be a bit too exposed when it comes to light, or a bit dark. Let me show you how I can add a few effects on here to control your light and also make it a bit dark. So we're going to go back to Edit. And this time, you'll see that you already have a screen where you can start adjusting your brightness or even your shadows. There's a little button called Auto. So if you're a bit lazy, right? and perhaps you want to quickly add a few quick filters, you can do that by simply tapping on the Auto button. It'll automatically do everything for you. And if you want to manually add let's say your brilliance or perhaps some shadows, you can do that simply by swiping. And as you swipe from your left-hand side to your right, you'll see that each control changes, giving you a different menu. And here you can start playing with exposure, for example, and immediately jump to brilliance, perhaps even play with some highlights. And if you want to add some character in terms of darkness, you can play with your shadows to make it a little bit darker. And there you have it. That's how you play with some color and also change lighting effects on your photo. Applying filters to your photos is a great way to add color, contrast, movement, or even a mood to your photo. Let me show you how this works. I'm already in my photo, so I'm going to go straight to the edit screen. And this time, I'm going to look at the controls down at the bottom again, specifically the three rings going around each other. Once I'm there are my filters. I can start with the original filter on my phone and start swiping and basically browse through each filter. As you can see, as I browse from dramatic to dramatic warm to dramatic cool, each filter adds an amazing amount of character to your photo. So it's all about picking your favorite filter. I think I'm going to go something on the dramatic side, maybe use the dramatic warm. Once I've done that, I can save my photo or tap on Done to save all the changes. But I don't want to stop there. Perhaps I love all the edits so much that I might want to apply it to different photos. And you might find that perhaps you're thinking that it's a bit difficult to do that. Well, on iPhone, it's really easy. If you look towards the top of your screen, more to the right-hand side where you see the little pencil icon, tap on those three little dots on there. The moment you do that, you'll see that a new window comes up, allowing you to copy those edits. All I'm going to do is simply cancel my changes, go to an entirely different photo, go straight to edit, and now I can simply go straight to those three dots again on the top right-hand corner and paste those very edits. And there you have it. You've essentially added now some color, contrast, and even copied and pasted those edits that you've made on your previous photo onto a brand new one. Now that you've edited all your photos and you've made them look absolutely amazing, let's look at putting them in albums to make them easier for you to find and share with friends, family, or even your very own social media. To do that, let's go straight to the Photos app. And this time, instead of you tapping on a photo to open it up, you want to pay attention to all the sections that you've got at the bottom of your screen. You've got Library, For You, Albums, and Search. We're going to tap on Albums, and on the top left-hand side, you'll see a plus icon. Tap on that, and you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, you can select the very first option, which is New Album. You'll be given the opportunity to name your album. So I'm going to name it Holiday Memories. Holiday Memories. And once I'm happy with the name, I can save. And from here, it'll take you straight to your photo gallery for you to start picking some amazing photos to add to your album. So I've got a few pictures, so I'm probably going to just pick one for now, and let's find that perfect picture. All right, so I've got one, and tap on Add on top right hand corner, and there you have it. You've now added your very own picture to your album. And to make sure that you've added there, just tap on your album, and there your picture is sitting right there waiting for you to either share it or to edit it even further. Thanks for joining me, Sandele, on another iStore Meets video. Please hit that like button if you haven't, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit that notifications bell to make sure you're always up to date with our latest iStore Meets videos. It's bye for now.